Hello friends, welcome back to another video by SEO Wings. In this video, we will learn about how to configure WordPress contact us forms on Netlify. WordPress form doesn't work directly on Netlify, so if you have created any form, it will not work on when you synchronize it to Netlify. So we need to tweak it. Before we proceed further, first we need to have a working installation of WordPress, and it should be already hosted on Netlify, as I have mentioned in my last video. If you haven't seen that video, then please go through it before proceeding further, as it will help you to understand the concept that how Netlify and static WordPress hosting works. I will place the link to that video in the comment section or in the top right corner of this video so that you can easily find it. So if you first go to the SEOwings.org website, then you will see a static hosting of the WordPress. Click on the article how to configure WordPress contact us form on Netlify. We will use this form shows you some of the code which we will be using while creating a contact us form. Okay, so let's go to the local WordPress installation. This is our local WordPress installation. As you could see here that we have logged into this website as an admin. It's our local WordPress using Bitnami software. This is how it looks like. Before you proceed further, let's go to the pages first. As you could see that we don't have any page here. You need to create two pages. The first page is your thank you page. This is the page which you want to show to your user once they have submitted the contact us form. So let's create it. Let's say you want to say thank you. Okay, so for example, we just want to show this information when somebody submit the form on our website. We can go to the page settings here. Uh, Generally, it's okay. You can click on publish as well, but I just want to make sure that we have the proper permalinks. This is our permalink now. We can visit the view the page, and this is how it will look like. So first page is done. Just make sure that you know this slug. This slug is very important because we want to redirect our user to this page. So this is thank minus you or thank dash you. You need to keep it in mind. Now we go to our dashboard again, click on the page and add new. Now we will create our second page. The second page is contact us page. Click on add block, and here you have to add custom HTML. Click on custom HTML, and now if you go back to this website, this page which I will share in the comment section, just copy this code here. Copy, and then we come back here and just paste it here. If you click on the preview, it will show you this form. So basically, that's the only thing you have to do here. One thing which you should keep in your mind is that it's a form with the name contact, method is post. This is the most important thing. Data minus Netlify is equal to true. This should be like this. And action is the page where you want to send your user. So if action is equal to thank you, then we will show the move the user to the or send the user to the thank you page. If you want to send them to home, then just type slash or the home page address where you want to send them. And that's it. There is no complicated thing here. We will just simply publish this as well. I'm not doing any SEO thing here. Yoast is enabled here, so it's actually telling you that the readability is not good, but I don't care for this right now. We just want to test the contact us form. Then click on publish, and you could see that this is our publish form. We can click on the page, and that's how our contact us form looks like. You can basically edit it, do whatever you want to do with this form, modify it using the basic HTML things. I will not be doing this. I will be just showing you the procedure how this. And then go back to your dashboard again. Click on the WPT static. You come to the add-ons. Just make sure that Netlify deployment is enabled here, and all the settings are done like this one. How to do this thing, I will just recommend you again to watch our old video where we have explained this thing in very detail. So we go here and then click on the generate static site. If you click on the generate static site, It will take couple of seconds or minutes depending upon the cache which is enabled on this website and how big is your content. It will generate this static website and directly post it to the Netlify. Okay, so our static site is generated and directly hosted onto the Netlify. Okay, so now let's go to the Netlify. We don't have the form before, but if you click on refresh, you could see that the one contact us form is available. This contact form. Actually, this contact is the name of this form is exactly the same which we have specified it in our page. If you go to the pages, edit, this is the form name. This is exactly the same name. Once it is synchronized, you will see it here as well. So that how this whole procedure from WordPress to the Netlify in the form of forms works. Since we have synchronized the website and our new form should be available as contact-us, scowings.org/contact my dash us. And you can see the form is available here. Now let's try to submit some information. Let's see, the username is Julia. Yeah, hi, howdy. And then if you click on the send button, see the form is submitted and now we are seeing only the thank you page. This is exactly how we have configured it before. Now if you come back to the Netlify and click on the contact, you could see that this Julia form is now available here. So that's how the information from user will be collected. If you have any comment about this video, or if something is not clear or you are getting any error, please post in the comment section and I will try to come back to you and try to answer as much as possible. And don't forget to visit of the website on suvings.org. You will find all of my lecture notes, which I will prepare for this YouTube channel. So don't forget to check it out. These are just lecture notes, so nothing fancy out there. Looking forward for your feedback and comments. That's all for this video. I hope this was quite informative for you. If so, then hit the like button and share with friends who might need it. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe it so that you always get latest and unique content from us. Have a nice day.